Hi friends. My name is Vishal Saini, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important herb that is right into your kitchen, and that's called Ajowan, or you can say carom seeds or caraway seeds. In Hindi, it's called Ajwain. So if you're a researcher, you should know all the names. I'm just taking few names, but if you are a researcher, you should know the Latin word, English, Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. How it looks? It's this is, I think, you must have seen this in your kitchen. It is an erect branched annual herb with bipinnate leaves, white flowers, and oval fruits. So I think this is clear to you that how it looks. Category: it is actually a fruit. I would say flower. In that flower, a fruit will come, and that fruit produces a seed, right? So it starts from the plant, flower, fruit, and then it gives you the seeds. So what it does? Uh, I'm going to talk about six very most important thing. I would say a medical use, a natural medical use. I'm not talking about antibiotics over here or drugs. I'm talking the natural ones. So the first thing is you need to understand it's thermogenic. Certain foods produce fat burning properties and help assist in raising our metabolism so that stored fat can be burned. So if you are fat and you tried a lot of things, but the results are not coming as you expected, you can try Ajowan, right? It's going to be one of the best natural herb to burn your fat. Antispasmodic, a medication that relieves, prevents, or lowers the incidence of muscle spasm, especially those of smooth muscles such as the bowel walls. So, antispasmodic is something which is usually we feel that is only an allopathy medication, but no, it's not like that. It's in your kitchen. Stimulant. So, stimulants are a class of drugs that speed up messages traveling between the brain and body. They can make a person feel more awake, alert, confident, and energetic. So, if you think that your memory is going down or your time of making decision is slowing, right? You see something and the decision making is getting a little delayed. So you can, this is a natural stimulant for you. Digestive. So when I say digestive issues, it's not just one thing. It's your mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Also includes the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. So it's like a teamwork. You cannot depend on only one organ. It's a teamwork. So Ajowan is going to work like a miracle. Carminative, expelling gas from the stomach or intestine so as to relieve flatulence or abdominal pain or distension. This is going to be your best herb when it comes to expelling gas from the stomach. Then anthelmintic. What does this mean? This simply means is the term used to describe a drug used to treat infections of animals with parasitic worms. So especially if you are having pet dogs or any pet animal, although it's like safe because they are living in a very hygienic conditions, you are taking care of them, but why to take chance if you have this in your diet, so you can keep away those parasites uh, in your body to turn out to be something more dangerous. And last, how we can use it. So here I'm going to teach you eight ways in which you can, or for eight different diseases or discomfort, how you can use it. Flatulence. So in flatulence, take a teaspoon of Ajowan seeds and roast it in a pan until the seed turns red. Pour 2 cups of water into the pan and boil until the water is reduced to half. Take this decoction once a day for a safe and sure remedy for gases, distension of the abdomen. This is the best remedy. The next one is common cold. So to clear the nasal block, crush a teaspoon Ajowan and tie in a cloth bundle. For inhaling, you can take your handkerchief. The strong odor soon clears the stuffy nose. The third reason is asthma. Inhale the vapor of teaspoon of the seeds, put in boiling water, and then you have to inhale the vapors of it. It's kind of steam, right? The fourth is earache. Half a teaspoon of Ajowan is heated in a glass of milk, and the milk is filtered and used as ear drops, right? So you don't have to consume milk. I'm not consuming. I'm saying to you put a few drops, just one drop, two drop, and it works like a medicine. Then sprains. Mix a paste of Ajowan, salt, and turmeric in gingerly oil and apply on sprained area along with some wheat flour. Right? So you have to make a kind of paste of it. These are the ingredients, and just apply it in the sprained area and see that your pain will just vanish. The sixth reason is worms. Make a powder of seeds. Mix 2 teaspoons of powder with black salt in equal amount and take it night with water. You can take it with lukewarm water or simple water. The seventh point is gout. Make a powder of seeds. Mix 2 teaspoons of powder with black salt in equal amount and take it night with water. So these two areas, worms and gout, same remedy. And the eighth one is kidney pain. In kidney pain, make a powder of seeds. Take 2 spoons in the morning and evening with warm nut milk. Means any nut milk you can take. It can be almonds. It can be cashew nuts. It can be sesame seed milk. So the most preferred one is the almond milk. So these are the areas which can give you lot of help, right? So you can see this entire mind map over here, right? So if you want, you can take the screenshot or just make your note, make it in your notepad. And this one kitchen herb is going to be a game changer. So any herb which you take for 3 months, discontinue for 21 days, and then consume for 3 months, and then discontinue for 21 days or maybe 4 weeks also. Why? Because you don't have to become habitual of good things also, right? So um, uh, in this series of kitchen herbs, this is Ajowan. In the next video, I'm going to talk about other herbs on other nuts and seeds, anything which is natural and comes in the category of natural food. I'll be talking about that, right? So if you have liked this video, kindly go to the YouTube channel. In the bottom there is a link. Please subscribe it, leave a comment, and if you want to join my webinar, in the description below, I've given my VIP WhatsApp group. You can connect with me over here, and I'll take your queries. Plus, you can attend my live webinar, and that live webinar will open a lot of gates of bonuses, webinars, power breathing, and a lot of ebooks and other natural uh, gifts, which can help you to live a healthy life. So thank you very much.